What would happen if a meteor the size of a mountain struck the Earth? The answer is simple. It would be one of the most catastrophic natural events in our planet's history. A mountain-sized asteroid, several kilometers across, would enter Earth's atmosphere at speeds of tens of kilometers per second. Although friction would heat its surface, an object this large would not burn up completely. Instead, it would slam into the ground with unimaginable force. The impact would release energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs exploding at the same time. A massive crater, possibly tens of kilometers wide, would form almost instantly. The explosion would destroy everything for hundreds of kilometers around the impact site. Powerful shock waves would travel across the land, flattening forests, buildings, and entire cities. If the asteroid struck the ocean, it could generate enormous tsunamis that would travel across entire ocean basins and affect distant coastlines. The impact would also throw billions of tons of dust, rock, and ash high into the atmosphere. This material could block sunlight for months or even years, causing global temperatures to fall. Scientists call this an impact winter. With less sunlight, plants would struggle to grow, disrupting food chains and threatening many forms of life. Similar events are believed to have contributed to the mass extinction that wiped out the non-avian dinosaurs about 66 million years ago, when a large asteroid struck near present-day Mexico. Fortunately, impacts from mountain-sized asteroids are extremely rare. Today, astronomers around the world use powerful telescopes to monitor near-Earth objects and search for potentially hazardous asteroids long before they could become a threat. Studying these objects helps scientists better understand our solar system and improves our ability to protect Earth in the future. Our planet has survived enormous cosmic impacts in the past, and thanks to modern science, we are better prepared than ever to detect and study these fascinating visitors from space.